Today we will discuss about environment, class 7, geography, chapter 1. First of all, we will understand what is environment. Basically, environment is the things which we see around us, means the air, water and land, or in which people and the plants lives. That will be called environment. Now, there are certain components present in our environment that we will discuss here. So, components of environment. So basically, environment is made of natural components. First of all, we will discuss about natural components. What is natural component? The component which we get from nature. Like we can say air, then land, then we can say living things, and also most important, water. So basically these things make our natural environment. Then there is another type of environment, that is human made environment. Now, what is human environment? Now, basically, the things which we pick up from our natural environment as a resource, and from that resource we made something like buildings, and roads, and you can say bridges, and also etc. many other things is made by human. That will be called human made environment. And also there is other category of human environment. In this category we get family, also we get education, health facilities, etc. etc. These all component together makes environment or our environment. Also, natural environment is made up of two types of material. One is biotic, another is abiotic. What is biotic and abiotic environment? Biotic environment means all the living things or living organisms can be found in our environment will be called biotic environment, like humans, animals, bacteria, etc., etc. Abiotic environment, those which doesn't have or doesn't contain any living organisms, like rock, air, wood, etc., etc. Now then, one important thing is lithosphere. What is lithosphere? What is lithosphere? Now, it is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. It is made up of rocks, minerals, or covered by thin layer of soil. And it is irregular. Now, what do you mean by irregular? Means it changes its shape. It can happen anytime during an earthquake or a plate tectonic movement. That's why it is called irregular. So what is lithosphere? Lithosphere is the solid crust or the hard top layer of earth. It is made up of rocks, minerals, and also other biotic and abiotic things. Okay, next day we will know about our ecosystem.